Today we're going to make this light and refreshing pasta, lemon zest with artichoke. I've teamed up with my friends at 776 Deluxe and they have the best pasta. So we're gonna make a light, refreshing pasta dish today with this pappardelle pasta. I'll have the link below where you can purchase this. So we're gonna make this lemon zest with artichokes. And this dish is nice and light, refreshing. You can have it in the winter, in the summer. You can even add a protein on top. Some grilled chicken would be delicious. So we're gonna get started with preparing all of our ingredients. So I have 3 cloves of garlic. We're gonna chop this up. So for this recipe, I'm gonna use canned whole artichokes. In one of my previous episodes, you can see how I clean whole artichokes, but for this one, it's a lot easier if I just get the whole artichokes canned, I drain them, and I'm just gonna cut them in 4s. You can cut them in half depending on how big they are, but this dish, I like to cut them, when they're this size, I'll cut them in a 4. We have our artichokes ready. I'm gonna put them in this bowl. We have some whole lemons, butter, garlic, we have salt, pepper, and olive oil, and we're gonna go to the stove. So I have boiling hot water here for our pasta. I'm gonna put that up to cook while I'm gonna make our sauce. So I'm just putting a little salt in our water, and we're gonna put our pasta up to boil. This pasta is an egg noodle pasta and it is so flavorful. It's really delicious, so I can't wait for you guys to try this. This is one of my favorite pastas, this pappardelle flat egg noodles. So we're gonna let that boil. While our pasta's cooking, we're gonna get ready with our sauce. So I'm gonna heat up a skillet. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter to the skillet. So now that our butter is melted, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna heat up our garlic with the olive oil and butter. Next, we're gonna add in our artichokes. While our artichokes are cooking, we're gonna add in our lemon zest. So I'm gonna do lemon zest from 2 lemons. Next, we're gonna add a half a teaspoon of salt to our artichokes and a pinch of pepper. The smell of the garlic is delicious. Lower the heat and wait for our pasta to be ready. So now that our pasta is cooked, I'm gonna transfer our pasta from here, from our pot. The water excess, I'm gonna add it right to our artichokes. I'm gonna mix this all together. I love adding my pasta back to my pan because then it's gonna really absorb all the liquid and all the delicious flavors of the artichoke, the garlic, butter, olive oil. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit more olive oil on top. And a little bit more zest from the lemons that I was zesting earlier. And this pasta is ready. So our pasta's ready. It's super easy, quick to make. You can put some fresh Parmesan on top, but of course I love Feta. So I'm gonna put some crumbled Feta on top of this, and I'm ready to serve this. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click the link below so you can purchase your delicious pasta.